Welcome back to a brand new video. This video is based on our Heikin Ashi candlestick indicator and our volatility oscillator. Now, the reason why these two work together is because when we have an oversold area as such, or an overbought area as such, we are going to rely on our volume right here. We are going to rely on our volume to give us the entry signal. All right, now let's get started. Let's delete these. All right, let's say for example, as you can see, we have a nice oversold area just here, and now we are waiting for our volume to kick in. All right, now oversold. Now we have our volume kicking right here. As long as it breaks out of our Bollinger Band, our band right there, that's volume kicking in. Volume is kicked in. That was a nice buy trade. Let's keep going. Price is oversold, but there has not been any volume kicking in, so we're not going to take a sell. And plus, that's an uptrend, so I would not recommend going against the trend there. Let's go. Let's keep going. All right, cool. You see, we are oversold officially right here. And we have volume kicking in along the way, but with specifically this one, you can see volume really has kicked in. Volume kicked in there. As you can see, volume did kick in and we got the trade. So that's just how the strategy works. It's a 1-2 step process strategy. It goes the same for sell signals. Yeah, that's the video, and I hope that this strategy helps you. If you need any help, comment below, and make sure to join our Telegram for more top strategies. Thank you, and see you on the next one.